Welcome back to Product Critique. Today we're taking a closer look at a compact but surprisingly useful home theater accessory. The CABTE Soundbar mount with adjustable height. If you've been trying to tidy up your entertainment setup or want better sound alignment without drilling extra holes in your wall, this might be exactly what you've been looking for. Let's start with what this mount actually is. It's a metal, height-adjustable bracket system designed to attach your soundbar directly to your TV or your TV's mounting setup. Whether your TV is on a wall mount, a cart, a floor stand, or even a tabletop stand, this bracket is built to adapt. CABTE includes detachable long extension plates, giving you the flexibility to work with different soundbar widths and different TV configurations. The first thing you notice when handling it is the build quality. It's all metal, solid, and surprisingly sturdy for its size. The mount supports soundbars up to 22 pounds, which gives you plenty of room for almost any mainstream soundbar from brands like Samsung, Sony, and Vizio. The non-slip base holder is designed to grip the soundbar so it doesn't slide around. And the design keeps cables concealed behind the TV, which I'm always a fan of. One thing I really appreciate is the installation flexibility. You can mount your soundbar either above or below the TV, depending on your space and preference. Mounting it above the TV can be great if your furniture setup blocks the lower area, while mounting below keeps the audio aligned with the screen for a more immersive experience. CABTE even notes that the mount fits TVs with a 400mm VISA pattern, which is one of the most common standards. Just make sure that if you're using a tabletop TV stand, you have enough clearance under the screen for the soundbar to sit comfortably. Now, installation itself. CABTE includes all the necessary hardware and a straightforward instruction manual. The process is simple. Attach the brackets to the TV's VISA mounting holes. Connect the extension pieces if your soundbar needs the extra length, and rest the soundbar onto the non-slip holders. If you're already using a wall-mounted TV, this setup can be done in just a few minutes as long as you're comfortable handling the TV mount. For anyone who values a clean, cable-free aesthetic, the result looks really polished. Once everything is mounted, the improvement in audio alignment is obvious. Because the soundbar sits directly in line with the TV, the sound feels like it's coming from the screen itself. Dialogue is clearer, effects feel more connected to the visuals, and overall it gives you a more cinematic experience without adding any new furniture or drilling new holes. The space-saving aspect is another bonus. Instead of placing your soundbar on a TV console where it might block IR sensors or clutter the surface, this mount lifts the soundbar into a perfect, streamlined position. It's especially useful for smaller rooms or minimalist setups. The design itself is fairly understated, which I like. It blends into the back of the TV, so all you really see from the front is the soundbar floating just beneath or above the display. No unnecessary branding or shiny parts. Just functional, strong metal that does what it's supposed to do. To wrap this up, the CABTE soundbar mount with adjustable height is one of those accessories that solves multiple problems at once. It frees up space, improves audio direction, works with a wide range of TVs and soundbars, and keeps your entertainment area looking clean and modern. If you're setting up a home theater or upgrading your current one, and you want a simple, reliable way to mount your soundbar without extra wall anchors or clutter, this is a solid choice. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you want more practical, real-world reviews of gear that actually improves your setup, be sure to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for the next video.